So now we are going to create the Active Directory here. So we are in the server, one server. In this server, how to create Active Directory now? Okay, just go to the Windows search,
Okay.
Windows search, type Server Manager, enter, open the Server Manager. Okay, close this. So just wait until it is loaded this page because it is still loading.
Okay.
Just give 1 minute. So that it is going to be loaded. Yeah, I think still it is there. Still it is taking 1 minute time.
Okay.
Yeah, now it is loaded. So so what we have to do? Click on add roles and features, number 2 option. Yeah, click on add roles and features. Here, click on next default. Okay. Now here you can see there are the two options which is available. One is role based or feature based installation. Another one is the remote desktop services installation. So now we are going to be set up first option, role based or feature based installation.
Okay.
Click next. Okay. So now it will full automatically. Select server from the server pool. It will full automatic. It is getting in the below. You can see the server full, right? This is the
Okay.
system name. It will get automatically from the server directly. So what we can do, just click on next. And then here we need to select the what we required. What are the service, what are the role we are going to do it here. So the second option is there Active Directory Domain Services. Second a box, you can click on that. Yeah, click on add features. Now click next. So there are other services also there, but we required only Active Directory. So we are going to be take that domain services. Don't touch anything here. Just click on next. So click on next. Restart the destination server automatically if required. Check the click on the checkbox. The above. Yes. And yes. Okay. Install it. Okay. So it is going to be installing now. After this, we need to promote this as a domain control. First, we created now
Okay.
Active Directory. We have to promote this as in a domain control.
Okay.
Just wait 1 or 2 minutes. So you can see that the message installation started on EC2. This is the EC2 AMAZ. This is the system name, your server name. Okay.
Okay.
Feature installation. Okay. Active Directory Domain Services. Here you can see this below. Active Directory Domain Services. What are the services it is going to be created here? Group policy management and remote server administration tools, role administration tools, ADDS and ADLDS tools, Active Directory module for the Windows PowerShell, ADDS tools, Active Directory Domain Services tools. Now you can see this is completed now. What you can do, just close this.
Okay.
Okay. Now here you can see there is one flag. In the top right side corner, there is one flag. Right side corner. Yeah. In the yellow button is there, right? Flag
Yep.
yellow button. Yeah, click on that notification. Here you can see there are two options. One is the feature installation that is done fully. Then promote this server to the domain control is there, right? First option.
Okay.
Yeah, promote this server to a domain control. So we have created the server. Now we are going to be create this server to the domain control. Click on that. We are promoting. Okay.
Okay.
Can you maximize this possible? Not minimize, maximize.
Sorry.
No problem. Maximize. Yeah. So give your domain name. Wait, here there are the three options is there, right? Select
Yeah.
the deployment operations. Add a domain control to an existing domain. That means if you are already having the existing domain, we have to add this server to the that existing domain. Because we don't
Okay.
have any existing domain, we need to create the new domain here, right? And the
Yes.
second option is add a new domain to an existing forest. So forest also we don't have anything. Forest means we are going to be create the domain name because we don't have any existing forest. So if we have already there in the some no, domain type here, you can drop down here under the sale domain. We don't see anything here. Okay, it's
Yes.
free domain or sale domain, whatever it is, because we don't created anything because this is the first time we are going to be created the domain. So the last one you have to select add a new forest. The first two options have you understand right? Why we are not selecting?
Yes.
Okay. Now add a new forest name. That is a root domain name. We have to give the domain name, one domain name.
Okay.
Mm. You can give anything or as per your requirement. As generally I used to give my name only, subhash.com, or if you want to use any name.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So this is not a big deal. Click on next. Mm. Click on next. Good. So now this is the your domain name and we have to provide the password. The same password yesterday you used, right?
Yes. Same
Okay.
password.
The same password you have to use here. You can use the same password for all the training in the lab setup. Okay.
Sure.
This is the domain. This is the that is the domain.com. This is the password we have to use wherever you want to map this domain. Okay. Click on next. Always remember this password is very important.
Sure. Sure.
Okay, click next. Don't bother about this error message because that is the DNS server. We didn't create that. Click on next. So it will get automatically net bias domain name that will comes into the capital letter. Verify the net bias name assigned to the domain and change it necessary. Yes, correct. Click next. Specify the location of the AD and database log files and sys volume. So don't change anything. Keep it as same. Click next. Now. The final one is we have to click next. Remove that, remove that. Yeah. Yeah, now wait. It is going to be verifying all the details, prerequisites, everything it is going to be. Now you have to install that. There are the three which is going to be installed now. You can see that there are three yellow flocks is there, right? Windows Server 2019 for this computer has at least one physical network adapter, and the last one, a delegation of this DNS server cannot be created because the authenticative present zone cannot be created. So now we have to just do the installation. Click on the install. It is going to be installed. After this, it is going to be asked for the restart your system.
Mm.
Just wait, it is creating now.
Okay. So now we are like installing this Active Directory, right?
Yeah, we are going to be installing this. We are going to be create the Active Directory. So after this, I will show you where it is available and how to create the users and how to create the groups.
Okay.
Okay. It's very easy, but we need to understand what steps we need to take and what options we need to select here. You understood, right?
Yes, yes.
So you are about to sign out, click close. So it will get no, message like that. You have to close that and click close. Once you close this, what will happen? The server has been successfully completed. The message will come in the top up. Now it is going to be restart. Once you restart, again you can restart. Go to the your server, go up instances, refresh this ID once again, and open the server again. Refresh that. Refresh. Uh, um, just to hold on 1 minute.
Okay.
Just now connected. Now connected. DP and open that. Yeah. This is only happening in the EC2 instances only. It will close automatically, and again we need to refresh and connect it. In the normal VMware server, it is if you click on the restart, it will automatically log in again. Just wait 1 minute because it is not yet completed. Click OK. Go back to the instances. Go back to the instances. Uh, just refresh. Now click AD. Connect AD. RDP. Download it. Connect. Administrator. Okay. Yes. Now it is, you can observe, right? GPC, group policy check client, it is loading now.
Yes.
Before that, we don't see this.
Yeah, we didn't see this.
Mm. Because after installation of AD, this is only asking. So it is taking 1 minute time, I think so.
So we are using this EC2 instances in AWS for the app setup. So normally in organizations we don't use this EC2 setup for how it will be.
No, no, organizations will use the VMware for the
Okay.
servers. Not only VMware, they depends upon their feasibility. They will few of them they are using Azure, few of them they are using the EC2 instances, and few companies they are going to use the VMware. So like that. So servers, we don't bother about that because we are not responsible to create the servers.
Correct.
So servers is going to be create this some other team, servers team. Okay, there will be a server separate team which is available. They has to create the servers for
Okay.
us, but we need to raise some ticket for the CyberArk. to set up everything. So we will ask them to create some servers. We need these many servers because we have these many components. So could you please create and give it to us? So they will give us, okay, based on our requirement, and they are going to be create the servers and they will give us. If it is in EC2 instances, same thing happens. If it is on Azure also, same thing happens. Nowadays, most companies they are shifting to the cloud,
Okay.
so they are going to be using this AWS and Azure. But still, whoever is maintaining the on-premises, they are still maintaining the VMware.
Okay.
VMware also is good, okay, but the licensed version is good.
Okay.
Why it is taking this much time?
Yeah.
Is your system slow?
No, system is not slow.
No net. No, no, no problem, no problem. Just wait for some time. Yeah, now it is. Good. So what you can do, just go to this search, Windows search,
Okay.
type in Active Directory. There is the two ways you can check it. Okay.
Okay.
Active Directory. So here you can see Active Directory domain users and computers. Click on this. Click on that second one. No, 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 no. Active Directory users and computers. Yes, correct. This is the one way you can see. The other way, you have to open the server manager,
Okay.
go to the tools, and the same thing you can click on that Active Directory users and computers. So this is how we have to check these Active Directory users and computers. Click on the sec.com. There will be some folders will be available. Yeah, now click on users. So here you can create how many users. For example, if you want to users, you want to create one user, you can create it. If you want to create the group, you can create the group here.
Okay.
So right click, new, new. Uh, we are going to be create or just create one group. Uh, give any name. As of now, it is give any name. I will tell you later. Okay.
Okay.
Cyberark admin. Give admin. Okay. Administrator. Fine. Anything is fine. Click OK. And again, you can create